What's up everyone, Prince Hoffman here from Quick Homes Rwanda, bringing you yet another video tour. Today we are visiting yet another home that is located near Sekimondo Estates. This is in Kanombe, in a very beautiful neighborhood. Everything in this home is just perfect and spacious. The plot is large enough, you have a large parking, the rooms are big, you have a garden. It's just ideal. Specs on this home: you have 4 large bedrooms, you have 3 bathrooms, you have a large living room and dining area with gypsum ceilings, you have a large kitchen with cabinetry, the master bedroom comes with its private closet, and you have wall sconces in the master bedroom just installed where you would put your bed. On the outside, it comes with an extra kitchen, an extra bathroom, and a boys' quarter. On the front, you have a large parking lot that can accommodate up to 5 cars and a sizable garden. This home is on the market for 65 million Rwandan francs or $65,000 US. For those that are interested in owning this property or know somebody who might be interested, please find our contact details and website in the description down below. And also, not forgetting, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We post content like this on a regular basis, and if you enjoyed this video, please drop us a like and share it to a few friends. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, please enjoy the tour.